Okay, so lines L1 and L2 both are passing through the origin, and the given line is trisected in the first quadrant. So what is the meant by trisection? What is meant by trisection here? Trisection means the line is divided into three equal parts. Okay, the line is divided into three equal parts by L1 and L2, which are passing through the origin. The tangent of an angle between the lines L1 and L2 is a question. Okay, what is the tangent of angle between lines L1 and L2? So let us try to solve this question. First, draw the diagram for this question. This is suppose this is y-axis, this is y-axis, and this is x-axis. Okay, and this is a given line. Suppose this is a given line, and in first quadrant, okay, by using lines L1 and L2, two lines L1 and L2. So this is L1 which is passing through origin, and this is L2 which is also passing through the origin. Okay, this is L1 and this is L2, and this is a given line. So what is a given line? Given line is 4x plus 5y equals to 20. This is a given line. 4x plus 5y equals to 20 is a given line, and the line L1 and L2 are trisecting the given line. So these three are equal parts. These three are equal parts. So the given line is intersecting x-axis at which point? At which point the given line will intersect x-axis? At which point the given line intersect x-axis? Just to tell me the point. This point on x-axis y will be 0, right? On x-axis y will be 0. So if we put y is 0 here, x value will be 5. So this point is 5 comma 0. Okay, on y-axis, on y-axis, on y-axis x will be 0. Okay, on y-axis x will be 0. So if we put x as 0, y value will be 4. So these are the points where the given line is intersecting x-axis and y-axis. The given line is intersecting x-axis at 5 comma 0. Given line is intersecting y-axis at 0 comma 4. Just substitute. On x-axis y will be 0. On y-axis x will be 0. Now if you draw these separately, this is 0 comma 4 and this is 5 comma 0. This is origin. This is 0 comma 4 and 5 comma 0, and point of trisection we need to find out. Okay, already in 10th you are very familiar in finding this point of trisection. Okay, so let us assume this point as a, and let us assume this point as b. So this is a and this is b. So why we have to find these two points a and b? 2 points A and B. Why we have to find these 2 points A and B? Actually, what is the question? They asked tangent of angle between the lines L1 and L2. What is the tangent of the angle between lines L1 and L2? So tangent of the angle means a tan theta only, right? Tangent of the angle means a tan theta. So tan theta formula is m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So let us consider slope of L1 as m1 and slope of L2 as m2. Okay, so by finding slope m1 and m2 we can use the tan theta formula, so that we will get a tangent of the angle between these two lines. So first let us find coordinates of A and coordinates of B. Let us assume this point as x1 comma y1 and this point as x2 comma y2. Okay, so what are the coordinates of A? A is dividing these 2 points in the ratio 2:1. Okay, A is dividing the line joining these 2 points in the ratio 2:1. So m1 x2, which is nothing but 10, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 which is 0 divided by m1 plus m2 10 by 3. Okay, next m1 y2 which is 0 and m2 y1 which is 4 divided by 3. So this is the point A. And what is the point B? B is dividing, sorry, A is dividing in the ratio 1 is to 2. A is dividing in the ratio 1 is to 2, right? Yes, A is dividing in the ratio 1 is to 2 and B is dividing in the ratio 2 is to 1. Okay. B is dividing the line joining in the ratio 2 is to 1. A is dividing the line joining, yeah, these 2 points in the ratio 1 is to 2. Okay. 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 1. Clear? A is dividing in the ratio 1 is to 2 and B is dividing in the ratio 2 is to 1. So M1 x2 plus M2 x1. So this is point B. Just change these points. No problem. You can change these points. So just change it to B. And this is A. Okay. So this is A point. Now A point we need to find out which is M1 x2. M1 x2 is 5 and M2 x1 which is 0 divided by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 1 into 0 0 M2 y1 which is 8 by 3. So now we got a points A and B. Okay, we got 2 points A and B. Yes, Sai Samhit, hi Kirtan, hi Sai Samhit. So 2 points we got A and B. Until now it is okay. 2 points A and B we got. So we easily we can find slope of L1. 2 points on L1 we have. One is origin and A point is 5 by 3 comma 8 by 3. So this point is 5 by 3 comma 8 by 3 and another point is 0 comma 0. So what is the slope of L1? Slope of L1 is nothing but M1 equals to, let us assume this as x1 comma y1 and this point is x2 comma y2. So y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 which is 8 by 3 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1 which is 5 by 3 minus 0. So slope of line L1 is equals to M1 is 8 by 5. So 3 3 cancel. M1 is 8 by 5. And what is M2? Slope of line 2. Second line slope is again y2 minus 5 1 by x2 minus x1 which is 4 by 3 divided by 10 by 3. So this is 4 by 10 nothing but 2 by 5. So M2 is 2 by 5 and M1 is 8 by 5. L1 slope is 8 by 5 and L2 slope is 2 by 5. Now what is the tangent of angle between these two lines? So if shall I write here is okay. So what is the tangent of angle between these two lines? So first of all, tan theta is formula for tan theta is tan theta equals to modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So now tan theta equals to, what is m2 value? M2 is nothing but 2 by 5 minus m1 is 8 by 5. 2 by 5 minus 8 by 5 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. 8 into 2 is 16 and 5 into 5 is 25. So since here mod is there, so since here mod is there, 2 minus 8 is 6, 6 by 5, 6 by 5, and this one we can take it as a reciprocal. So 25 by 25 plus 16 which is 41. So now 5 times will be cancelled. 6 into 5 is which is 30 divided by 41. So this is the correct answer. Fourth option is